Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Shopify stock? In this video, we will delve deep into the world of Shopify. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024. Now, we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis just for you. Make sure to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 4, 2024, our system has identified Shopify as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 5.74. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 10.73% since we first listed Shopify as a buy candidate just 6 days ago. This means an average return of 1.79% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential future growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 57.83% change in value, with a possible return ranging from 42.93% to 75.38%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 47.59% change in value, with a potential return ranging from -5.74% to 52.53%. This suggests a price range of $76.64 to $124.01 after a year. Our latest update on Shopify's stock price reveals that it ended at $81.30 on Thursday, marking a gain of 0.247%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 11, 2024, Shopify's stock price experienced a 0.247% increase, rising from $81.10 to $81.30. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains. While it's not common for stocks to maintain gains for such a long period, it's important to anticipate occasional dips. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $79.13 and a high of $82.64, representing a 4.44% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 instances and has seen a 3.77% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on the last day, indicating positive market sentiment. In total, 570,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to a total of 10 million shares traded, valued at approximately $843.64 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $82.64, while the lowest was $35.60. Currently, the price is 1.62% or $1.34 below the 52-week high and 95.39% or $1,681.62 below the all-time high, which occurred on November 19, 2021, when the price reached $1,762.92. Analyst ratings for Shopify. On Monday, December 18, 2023, JMP Securities downgraded Shopify with a Perform grade. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, Wedbush also downgraded Shopify, giving it a Neutral grade. Raymond James, on the same day, rated Shopify as Market Perform with a Hold action. Piper Sandler gave Shopify an Underweight grade with a Hold action. Similarly, Needham rated Shopify as a Hold with a Hold action. According to analysts, Shopify stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, while the price-to-book ratio is also considered a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Shopify. The Shopify stock is showing positive signs from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a favorable forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there is expected support at $77.14 and $75.02. However, a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. It is worth noting that a buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 27, 2023, resulting in a remarkable 75.22% rise so far. The volume is also increasing alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal. Nevertheless, there are some negative signals that may have an impact on the near short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence has given a sell signal. Pivots have given a buy signal 52 days ago. Bollinger has given a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages has given a buy signal 47 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average has given a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average has given a buy signal 49 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages has given a buy signal 35 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Shopify. On the downside, Shopify's stock finds support just below today's level. There are two key support levels we need to keep an eye on: $73.86 and $73.79. When a stock is testing a support level, there's always a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Shopify, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $73.79 and $61.47. It's important to note that Shopify has average movements during the day, which means it's not overly volatile. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Let's take a look at the recent price movements. In the last day, the stock moved $3.51 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 4.44% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.81%. Today, we'll discuss the potential trading levels for Shopify. But before we jump into that, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, giving us insights into its valuation. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenges from time to time, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, let's take a look at the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.240. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's delve into potential day trading levels for Shopify. When analyzing the stock, we find no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that, under favorable conditions, the stock could experience a rapid upward movement. As a trader, you can consider entering a position and using volume indicators to determine your exit points. On the downside, Shopify encounters its first support level at $73.86. If this support level holds, it might present a promising entry point for traders, anticipating a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Shopify is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Shopify Strategic Holdings 3 LLC. They bought and sold a total of 17,809,464 shares or options in the company. Based on the 7 most recent insider trades, we've calculated a positive insider power ratio of 66.285. In the last 7 trades, insiders purchased 38,718,369 shares and sold 4,280,175 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $78.28, which reflects a decrease of 3.72%. This particular stock experiences moderate daily movements, which puts it at a medium level of risk. Furthermore, our analysis reveals a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 51 days ago. Is it a good time to invest in Shopify stock? Shopify shows promising signs and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the famous saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering this, we believe that it is a favorable choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 12th, we predict that Shopify will open with a decrease of $0.277 and start trading at $81.02. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on this stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.